ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Tech Showdown. My name is Kevin, this is my co-host Teddy, and today we're checking out this guy right here. It's the Asrock Phantom Gaming X RX590 8G OC, which is a very long name. Also interesting that they went with Gaming X in their name, because that's what MSI uses as well. But I guess they added Phantom before, so that clears it up a little bit. So this is just going to be an unboxing and overview, and let's get right into it. So, wow, actually, okay. No sticker to cut. Oh, that's a shame. I brought my special knife out. Ah, you guys love it, don't you? Just to cut it. But we don't need to today. So let's open it up. And boy, is this packaging stiff. I'll tell you what. Whoa, there we go. I try not to rip anything for you guys, because that wouldn't be good. There we go. So, first box here. It's just our Asrock box. We open this up. We have some foam in the way. And then just the graphics card. Wow, is that it? No accessories or anything. Oh, I'll take the GPU out. Try not hit myself with the box. Oh, okay, so underneath we have a quick installation guide and driver CD. So pretty standard there. Not a huge amount to say. Put that over there. Let's have a look at this GPU. And here we have it. So this is actually the first Asrock graphics card that I've ever checked out on this channel. Let's take this plastic off the fans here. That'll make it look a little bit nicer. There we go. Any other plastic I missed? Nope. Okay, good. There we go. Yeah, so this is the first Asrock graphics card I've ever checked out on this channel. I'm really excited to test this out, that's for sure. And of course, I haven't checked out an RX590 yet. So, you know, this is going to be really fun. So let's dive right into it and talk about the RX590 itself. So compared to the RX580, it's pretty similar. So it comes with the same 2304 stream processors, the same 32 ROPs. The difference is that Polaris has been refreshed from the 12 nanometer process down to the 12 nanometer process. This allows for the reference boost speeds to be raised from 1340 megahertz to 1545 megahertz. Although in this Asrock model, it's coming with an OC mode speeds of 1591 megahertz. So that's a significant uptick in clock speeds over the RX580. But that also means the TDP has been raised from the 185 watt TDP of the RX580 to the 225 watt of the RX590, which is actually higher than the Vega 56, believe it or not, which comes in at 210 watts. So that's interesting. Now, as far as the memory goes, this has remained the same. So you're getting the same 8 gigabytes of GDDR5 memory on a 256-bit bus at 8000 megahertz. It's a little bit higher on this Asrock model in its OC mode. It's like 8030, but that's not really going to make much difference. Just a little bit of an overclock there. So let's talk about the cooler itself then. So this looks like a pretty decent one that Asrock's put together. So we'll start with the heatsink itself then. So this is an aluminium alloy heatsink. They call it the XXL, which is, okay, you could call it that. I mean, it's definitely not the hugest one I've seen, but it's got a decent size to it, that's for sure. It's coming with their composite heat pipe designs, which is good. I like it when they do this. It's going with a copper base on the heatsink and then nano thermal paste, so that's also good. That'll help keep the temperatures down there, good heat transfer. Has their good looking fans, I've got to say. They have a 3-phase motor in them, which is interesting, and double ball bearings in each fan, so that's good. That'll just help with the lifespan hopefully it'll last a very long time. That is in theory anyway. Now it's coming with their 0 decibel silent cooling, which is something that all of them are doing now. All that means is that the fans will be turned off when you're doing basic things, browsing the web and all that stuff, so it's not making any noise. It has a nice backplate, which is what you would expect. All of these cards should be coming with backplates now. I'm always shocked when the companies don't put them on, so good job Asrock there by putting a nice backplate on it. And size-wise, it's coming in at 279 millimeters by 127 millimeters by 42 millimeters. So now let's go over the power and I/O. So on the top there you see a single 8-pin power connector, and then when we go around to the I/O, you'll see it's coming with 2 display ports, 2 HDMI ports, and a single DVI-D port there, which is good. That should be good enough for most people. So super quickly guys, I just want to tell you that Price Spy has sponsored this video, and you should check out their app. So this is really good. It's on iOS and Android, and you can compare prices when you're out buying this Christmas. You know, looking at new graphics cards, maybe just looking at new CPU, whatever it is that you're searching for, you can use their app when you're on the go. And it also has a barcode scanner in it. So you just hit the camera button up the top there, and then you can use their barcode scanner when you're in the shop itself, and then scan the products there, and you can compare the prices through the app that way. So definitely check that out when you're shopping in this Christmas and holiday period. So that's going to round out this video, guys. I'm very interested to check this guy out. So this is actually going to be used in an upcoming build video, and of course I'll be using it for upcoming showdowns as well. So yeah, this is looking like a good graphics card. If you were interested in checking out an RX590, then this may be a good one to look at, because so far it's looking very solid to me. But of course we'll have to check it out further when I make these showdown videos. Now I thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you've subscribed to Tech Showdown, because if you haven't already, you certainly should. And I'll see you all next time.